Hey, it's Christian again from YogaPlusHealth.com. I was just going to show you some of the things I got at the natural grocery store that is going to help me on my challenge. I haven't given up coffee yet. So I got a good organic coffee though. And they say that coffee is one of the most highly chemically sprayed products. They had this on sale for $9 a pound. So I got that. These are cacao nibs. This is organic cacao, which they make chocolate from, highest antioxidant nut known on the planet. Brown flaxseed, grounded in a coffee grinder and putting it into shakes. Natural trail mix, very happy about that. They have different varieties, all raw and organic. This is cashew bits and pieces that are organic and raw. I'm going to make nut milk out of this. Stay tuned for that. It's pretty fun. It's not all that hard to do either. It's very, very easy. And I'm also going to make almond version of it too. Now, of course, these we can eat like you can the trail mix as well. Goji berries. This is one of the highest antioxidant berries, probably the highest. And you got to get them organic, Himalayan. And I'll put that in shakes, stuff. And I just found out about this. This is a new thing that I learned about. It's called coconut sugar. And it's supposed to be very low, diabetic-friendly sugar, and I'm going to use that. Kind of tastes a little like brown sugar, not quite as strong. And I'll put that in coffee, and if I want a little sugar without the white refined stuff that I'm trying to stay away from. And then this is these power bars. They're made from nuts and all kinds of organic stuff, cashews and berries and raisins and stuff that are made into little squares, and they're great to eat like you would do maybe a power bar instead of a power bar without all the junk. And then this is the golden flax. So I have a variety of flax. I've got the golden and I've got the dark. I do both. So these are some things. And then I went ahead and got the vanilla bean powder, which I add to the nut milks and to the shakes. And it's expensive, but it lasts a long time. And this was a good deal, actually, considering I used to buy 1 ounce for like $13. This is 8 ounces for $39, so it's a much better deal. And all this is raw organic from Life Grocery in Marietta, Georgia. And if you have any questions or anything about this stuff, please comment, and I'll be happy to help you. And also I'll be making some shakes later and some salads and some other things just to show you what I'm doing and where I'm going and report back to you then. So thank you so much. It was great talking with you today, and I'm excited about my new purchases and to get started with them. They're delicious and healthy, and they'll really assist me in giving me the energy and the nutrition that I need to help me along this journey to walk into 2012 10 pounds lighter instead of 10 pounds heavier like I normally do every year. So I'm excited, and I look forward to seeing you soon. This is Christian Davidson with YogaPlusHealth.com. Thank you.